this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from a ZenPop subscription box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramenator for a discount. We got this one from Marutai. You might know them more for their straight noodle varieties, fancy Japanese stuff. This is what they're calling this a vertical cup, and I can't think of any flat cups, but that's what the ZenPop people are calling it. They're not the only ones. Like so many of these subscription box places, they put in great product, but a lot of the terms and things that they do, it's just like, I don't know. I just don't know. But what can you do? We're gonna throw some boiling water in here, and there we go. And 2.5 minutes. That's a new one. So, big news today. They released the what do you call it? The warrant for going into Trump's house, and they were looking at like documents and this and that and stuff having to do with the Espionage Act. It's like, whoa, that's crazy. And then that was the big news yesterday. Actually, the big news today is that supposedly he's now leaked the full non-redacted warrant that's got the names of the FBI agents that went in there, and now they're like under threat of the people that now think the FBI is horrible. I mean, there have been like calls for impeaching the FBI director. It's like, come on. I don't know. I'm not getting my way, so it can't be right. It's not what I want. Let's make everything I don't like go away, because that means it's not America. It's like, dude, wow. I don't know. I give up. I just give up with these people. They're just like a bunch of poo-poos. Sorry, getting a little alpha. I hate that term too. I think that's like the stupidest thing. They're like throwing that in kids' movies too now. It's just like, God, what was it? Some Paw Patrol movie they were talking about. I'm the alpha. No, I'm the alpha. It's like, whoa. Yeah, that's what people that are really, really, really insecure start going off about. Yeah, it's like, no, I don't know. I just give up. People just keep getting stupider by the minute. Hopefully you're not a stupid person. I don't think you are, because you're watching the finest programming that money can't buy. I don't charge you for this. I could. I don't think that'd work very well. But yeah, I did put an ad blocker on my my blog though. I think I've recovered is what they call it. God, what was the amount? Like maybe like a dime. Yeah, a dime a day times 365. That's a lot of mung bean sprouts. So this one is this Takana, I can't remember, you can see the title there. But it mentions in the little blurb from ZenPop that it's got mustard and corn. I've had one from this Marutai cup range before, and it was really good. I mean, I was impressed. It was just like a vegetable one, but wow, I actually grabbed a non-regular spoon. Oh, there is a kind of a little bit of a heat to it. They were mentioning that it has a zing from mustard and corn, and it's like, I don't know what I'm getting out of it. It's good. Noodle's alright. I like the straight noodle way better. Corn is well hydrated. It's so good. I like that. So now we do. Let's do what we do now. Shall we? God, you know. No. Nope. Nope. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Pouring it in. And I'm gonna God, how are we gonna get all this off of there? What? I hear incredulous sounds from the living room. There's a lot of like bits in here that would probably won't be seen once I garnish, but so there's that. Did I bring? No, I didn't. But I got an egg. I got an egg. I've got an egg. Made fresh eggs this morning. Like about, an hour ago. Had to find something to do with the kids while the eggs marinated for their short haul. And we watched a bunch of episodes of Unwrapped. Ooh, look at you. Hi, how you doing? Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Okay, that is a good start to 4 reviews, I gotta say. I like it when they look nice like that. Spring onion. There, we got you. Better? No way. Nope. Ah. Really get rid of them? I don't believe I did. Oh no! Uh-oh. I think somebody chucked my expired mung bean sprouts that I was going to just use. I'll bet it was me. But that's no good. No bueno. Crud. Some shichimi? Oh, this sucks, ladies and gentlemen. I've got 4 reviews to do and I have no mung bean sprouts. So these are going to be like really not my happiest times right now. Well, Rotato, do it to it. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Where'd that ramen reader guy go? Here I am. So the next one is going to be another one out of a Zen Pop box, and this is Tokushima Siphon and their Kinchan Ramen. And I don't know. This is just a bowl version. They like to call it a large cup. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, coming up tomorrow. It's been Oz the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.